This is a video demonstration for emergency SMS and calling system. This is the Embedos ER device. The device can be powered from 24 volt DC supply, which can be connected at this point of the terminals, which can be connected to this connector. The CR system has 8 digital input pins and a common connector for all the digital inputs. These digital inputs are used for SMS and calling emergency systems. For accessing the device web page and to dashboards, a Ethernet cable has to be connected at the point. To access the device web page, one has to go to this ID 192.168.20.1:8000 port. Once on the enter of the page, the dashboard can be seen as the follows. This is the pin 8 pins of the digital inputs, the name of the pins, the text message that can be sent, the audio clip which can be written, and the contact numbers. The name can be changed as follows. This is pin 1. The password has to be put every time for it to work. Spin 1. The name has been changed. We can likewise change the text edit also. Likewise, the audio file can be also be chosen. Currently, upload file. Currently, the contact has been saved like this. Another contact can be added.
8806013393.
Password is coming to the page. Similarly, one can also delete the contact by putting the information here. Delete. If you are going with the contact has been removed. We will now do a demo run of the system. On giving input to the digital pin 1, you can see on the dashboard that the emergency system will be activated, and it's deactivated. Simultaneously, the message will be sent. Seen on the message has been received and seen on the dashboard also. Now it's calling the message, calling the customer. Call has been received.
During digital input 1, pin 1 generates an output action labeled as text 1.
The system works with the audio of the reception. Simultaneously, the logs can be downloaded to see the data that has been stored in the system. It's the latest data of the timestamp. The call has been sent. So it was success, and whom it was calling with the number. The system can be shut down via direct button given here. The entire system will be shut down by putting a password. The device gets powered off. Thank you.